Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce real estate closing delays with LoanDepot, complete guide step by step clearly. To reduce real estate closing delays with LoanDepot, follow these simple steps. Start by gathering all necessary documents required for the loan application. These documents typically include your income statements, tax returns, and bank statements. Create a checklist of these documents to ensure nothing is missing. Next, submit your loan application as early in the process as possible. LoanDepot offers an online application system, making it convenient and efficient. Once your application is submitted, monitor your email regularly for any communication from the lender. Promptly respond to any requests for additional information or documentation. Stay in close contact with your LoanDepot loan officer. Regular communication helps address any potential issues before they escalate. Utilize LoanDepot's tools and resources for tracking your loan status. Take advantage of the customer portal to keep an eye on your application progress. If you're purchasing a new property, ensure your real estate agent is informed of your financing situation. This coordination can help align timelines and expectations. Consider obtaining a pre-approval before making an offer on a property. Pre-approval can streamline the closing process and strengthen your offer. Be prepared for your home appraisal process. Schedule this as soon as possible to avoid delays. Keep in mind that unexpected issues may arise during the appraisal or inspection phases. Having a plan in place for potential issues can help you adapt quickly. Lastly, review all closing documents thoroughly before the closing date. Address any discrepancies with LoanDepot immediately. By following these steps, you can minimize delays and help ensure a smooth closing process with LoanDepot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.